I'll give you some information regarding that kind of a decision here in just a moment. I do want to talk about the daily inventory here, last 7 days in Santa Clarita Valley, running through all the systems. I did also post this up at Santa Clarita openhouses.com on my blog. Last 7 days right now in Santa Clarita, we have 14 listings coming soon. 75 new listings have hit the market in the last 7 days. 74 homes have had their prices changed. This is indicating that the market is getting much more aggressive. Sellers are much more willing to get their houses moved faster, so they're doing these price changes and adjustments. So that's a really big indicator the market's starting to move quite a bit faster here in Santa Clarita Valley. Back on market properties, 19 active under contract properties, 28. We had 55 go pending, 66 homes closed in this past 7 days. Both of those numbers are really, really big. The 66 closings, we're basically replenishing any inventory that we get coming onto the market.